I was excited to be out and about and actually be interacting with other people.
स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने के बाद मुझे एक्चुअली कृतिका का जो कैरेक्टर है वो बहुत फन लगा.
If you're sort of falling into character easily, then it's not so much of a struggle.
Of my own work, I'm the biggest critic. I don't think I'm easy on myself as an actor.
What I realized after meeting all these wonderful people was that they're very normal people.
I think the entire experience for us, all in all, was, something that I don't think any of us will forget in a hurry.
भाई बहनों का प्यार बहुत ही स्पेशल होता है and ZEE5 ऐसे एक प्यार को दर्शाने के लिए बहुत ही अलग ट्विस्टेड तरीके से लेकर आ रहा है आपके लिए एक न्यू सीरीज का नाम है कौन बनेगी शिखरवती. वेल यस, इसमें आपको एक नहीं बल्कि बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्शन पैक्ड कास्ट दिखने वाली है. जहां एक तरफ है नसीरुद्दीन शाह, वहीं दूसरी तरफ आपको नजर आएंगी 4 नोंदा औरतें, यानी कि 4 उम्दा ब्यूटीज. कृतिका कामरा, आन्या शर्मा, लारा दत्ता एंड सोहा अली खान. Well, yes, you can expect a jam-packed beginning of 2022. मेरे यानी विशाखा पंडित के साथ आज जुड़ने वाली हैं ये 3 ब्यूटीज, लारा, आन्या एंड सोहा, जो बात करेंगे अपने किरदारों के बारे में, सीरीज के बारे में एंड व्हाट नॉट. तो आइए बुलाते हैं इन तीनों को और जानते हैं कि ये कौन बनेगा शिखरवती के बारे में हमारे साथ क्या शेयर करती है.
आप उनको एक साथ देखना चाहते हैं ना? राजकुमारी देवयानी शिखरवत, राजकुमारी गायत्री शिखरवत, राजकुमारी कामनी शिखरवत, राजकुमारी उमा शिखरवत. शिखरवती आपको बुला रहा है जो राजा मृत्युंजय आपको सौंपना चाहते हैं.
Well, I was thinking before while I was waiting, I did see the trailer of it and I was like, okay, when is it coming? When is it coming? Because it looks so good right now because I think it's like a complete binge watch thing that I want to. I would love to know from you ladies, आपका reaction क्या था, when you got to hear the script of it entirely and then when you came on the set, कैसा था, experience कैसा था आप तीनों का?
I think right from the time that we heard this script ही बहुत ही quirky थी, बहुत ही fun थी. अपने जितने सारे किरदार थे, बहुत ही अलग किस्म के किरदार थे, थोड़े से अपने खुद के थोड़े से संकी भी थे. नसीर साहब का जो किरदार है वो completely मतलब इसेंट्रिक था. तो ऐसा लगा कि ऑब्वियसली ऑन पेपर कि हाँ इस शो करते वक्त मजा आएगा, मतलब अच्छी हम हंस भी पाएंगे. एक चीज होती है कि आप एक कागज पे लाइंस पढ़ के आपको एक कुछ समझ में आता है कि हाँ ऐसे होगा वैसे होगा, लेकिन डायरेक्टर की विजन जो होती है वो अलग होती है. और ऑब्वियसली हमने एक रियल लाइफ पैलेस में शूट किया था, मंडावा पैलेस में. तो तब जब हम सब लोग अपने अपने किरदार में रेडी होके वहां पहुंचे, इट वाज अ ब्लास्ट. जो लाइनें हमने पेपर्स में पढ़ी थी, अभी हमें वही लाइनें बोलनी थी, कॉमेडी को क्रिएट करना था. And I think the entire experience for us, all in all, was something that I don't think any of us will forget in a hurry.
मैं तो बहुत excited थी क्योंकि मैं काफी सालों से काम नहीं कर चुकी हूँ, and I'd shifted my priorities to parenting, and so after a long time I was working in something that was longer than an advertisement, and it was a long outdoor. जैसे लारा ने कहा आपसे कि 2 महीने के लिए हम सब राजस्थान शिफ्ट हुए थे, एक बायो बबल क्रिएट किया था प्रोडक्शन ने, और आई वाज एक्साइटेड टू बी आउट एंड अबाउट एंड एक्चुअली बी इंटरैक्टिंग विद अदर पीपल. आई वाज एक्साइटेड फॉर माय डॉटर क्योंकि मैं अपनी बेटी को भी अपने साथ लेके गई थी, सो शी वुड आल्सो इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल एंड वी हैड चिल्ड्रन ऑन द शो. आई हैव 2 children, Lara has 2 children, the people who live there had some children. So, she had some social interaction after a long time as well. So from every perspective, if you look at just getting fresh air, spending time under beautiful starry nights, if you look at the bonding that we managed to create over 2 months, as well as the work that we did, it all sort of came together. And I think that, when you see the promo, it catches some of that.
Yes, I indeed would agree to that one. But Anya, how was your experience? Because, after Never Kiss Your Best Friend, the fans are excited to watch you here, and then again in season 2 of that one. But then आपका experience with the Goddess Ladies and then Naseer sir, कैसा था आपका experience, कैसा था?
तो अगर मैं आपको सच बात बताऊं, जब मैं गौरव से पहली बार मिली थी, उन्होंने मुझे स्टोरी के बारे में बताया और मैंने पूछा अगर मैं उमा का किरदार उसके लिए ऑडिशन दे सकती हूँ, और उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि उमा ऑलरेडी कास्ट है. एंड फिर एक्चुअली उसके बाद मैं नेवर किस की शूटिंग के लिए आई थी, और जब मैं वापस गई तब से मैं बोल रही थी कि मुझे उमा का कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है, उमा का कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है. एंड माय फ्रेंड वाज जस्ट लाइक बट वो कैरेक्टर कास्ट है, यू कांट. पता नहीं क्या हुआ, इस यूनिवर्स ने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे ही उमा प्ले करना चाहिए. एंड 5 days बिफोर वी हैड टू लीव फॉर शूट, I was called and मुझे बताया गया था कि now I can finally play Uma. तो मैं मतलब the excitement, क्योंकि पहले तो जो कैरेक्टर या किरदार मुझे प्ले करना था, I got to play her. Then I heard the cast. उस टाइम जब पहली बार मैंने सुना था cast, उस टाइम लॉक नहीं था, and I genuinely could not believe it. Like मेरे लिए it was a really big deal. And then when I went on set, I was very nervous to meet everybody. सबसे छोटी हूँ, सबसे कम काम किया है, और I really admire all these people. तो पहले मैं सोहा से मिली. सोहा थोड़ी सी पहले दिन थोड़ी चुप थी. सोहा को 3-4 दिन लगे to start hanging out with us, with Kritika and me.
I was just sussing it out, like I was just trying to figure you out.
Sure. फिर उसके बाद it was very difficult for Soha to go to bed, to a point that there were days we would go to Soha's room to put her to sleep so that she didn't have FOMO. Lara was the last to join us because we had started shooting and she was shooting for Bell Bottom in Scotland. And उस time तो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा nervous थी कि it's Lara Datta. And when I met her, what I realized after meeting all these wonderful people was that they're very normal people. And I think that's the most endearing thing about them. कि वो बहुत ही normal, fun, जैसे हम हैं वैसे ही हैं. तो मेरे लिए I had a great time. It was a great experience.
Well, I would love to know from the others like Soha and Lara that जैसे अभी आर्या ने कहा कि she was manifesting her character and then luckily she did get the title to play. क्या आप भी अपने ही किरदारों के लिए उम्मीद लगाए बैठे थे या there was some other character that you wanted to play?
I actually really liked Devyani's role because she's like, she's talking all the time. She's bossing everyone around. She's, has this commanding authority about her. She's also got lots of like, sort of comedy with her husband. And there's no man in Gayatri's life. So I was like, hey, it might be interesting for me to play this character. And then Gaurav was like, I think that the character of Gayatri is better suited to who you are as a person. And I resisted that for about a minute. And then I was like, okay. And then when he said Lara is on board to do this as well. And I thought that the dynamic of that will be interesting. Because when you cast a show correctly, then half your battle is won. And if you're, if you're sort of falling into character easily, then it's not so much of a struggle.
But was it Lara? Did you want to play Anya's role or was it any other character that you wanted to play?
I wanted to play Mishra ji's character. but no, I think for me, I was super excited. एक तो ये जानने के लिए कि नसीर साहब हमारे फादर का किरदार प्ले करने जा रहे थे और ऑफ कोर्स रघुवीर जी कास्ट हुए थे शो के लिए भी. और स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने के बाद मुझे एक्चुअली कृतिका का जो कैरेक्टर है वो बहुत फन लगा और बहुत ही ट्रिकी कैरेक्टर है. मुझे ऐसे लगा कि हाँ ये कैरेक्टर थोड़ा सा गलत भी जा सकता है क्योंकि ये थोड़ी सी अनोइंग भी हो सकती है थोड़ा सा आप ये. बट आई थिंक अगर आप जब ये शो देखेंगे, और कृतिका आज हमारे साथ है नहीं लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया है निभाते हुए. एंड आई रियली फील शी इज डन एन इनक्रेडिबल जॉब विद इट. सो हर कैरेक्टर इज एक्चुअली I would say possibly the one that kind of stands out the most क्योंकि वो सोचती भी है कि नहीं मैं outstanding हूँ.
Wow, okay, but then I would love to know here that siblings के बीच का एक थोड़ा वो rivalry और वो चुनौतियाँ हैं कि अरे I am the best और वो हम सब लोगों ने I personally have seen in my siblings that who is the best amongst you 4 or 5. वैसे ही आप जानना चाहेंगे real life में how good or how notorious of a siblings are you guys? Like have you bullied your siblings or are you like the protector kind of a thing? What are you guys?
I am the youngest of 3 sisters. I have only been bullied all my life. I have only received hand-me-down clothes. I have never been bought anything new. Hand-me-down clothes, hand-me-down toys, and I have always been exactly. और मैं उनसे 10 और 6 साल छोटी हूँ तो ज्यादातर से मुझे मार भी मिलते थे, झापड़ भी मिलते थे और एंड इन अ वे दे आल्सो काइंड ऑफ मदर्ड मी. तो आई थिंक उनसे इंस्पायर होकर मैंने अपने ऑन स्क्रीन बहनों को मदर किया है.
I'm clearly the best among my siblings. I mean, clearly.
But then
I think they got it right in the end, my parents.
What about you, Anya? How have you been as a sibling? Did you also bully someone or were you bullied?
Yeah. So because I'm a single child, unless you're talking about my invisible siblings,
I'm talking about all the cousin clans because I also have only one brother, but cousins may have 6.
Fortunately or unfortunately, I'm the youngest. from my mother's side and my father's side. So I have been treated. I am also called the illiterate in the family. That's how much I'm bullied because of my choice of music. That's the main reason that my family really looks down upon me, as in my cousins. Yeah, they're really ashamed of and embarrassed. So I'm never allowed to be DJ. So I have been bullied, but I think they're all extremely protective of me also because I'm the youngest.
But then how are you guys as a real siblings? Because you know एक दूसरे के साथ आप बहनों के किरदारों में हैं. You know, I'm sure that जितना आप लोगों ने मस्ती सेट सीन में किया है, उतना ही ज्यादा ट्विस्टेड आपके क्वेश्चन शो में देखने को मिलने वाला है. How is it actually working as siblings?
I think because, like I said, सब इतने normal थे when we met each other. That was, the icebreaker for me at least. And then to see, अच्छा ये तो बहुत Miss Universe and Soha royalty सब बहुत ही normally dress करते हैं off screen, Like that's what I mean. They were used to be in their pajamas or skirts. So
what were you expecting me to come in my gown and crown? Yeah. What were you expecting?
Oh, I just thought, because I've always seen you, I had before this, always seen you guys poised and well turned out at every point. I swear.
Are you saying I was not poised?
Yeah, we were still poised. Thank you very much. What are you saying?
Clothes I saw.
Like
One second. One day you were wearing a shirt with your pajamas. I remember this so clearly. What I mean to say is कि क्योंकि मैंने इनको स्क्रीन पे देखा था सिर्फ एंड आई हैड नॉट मेट देम इन रियल लाइफ आई थिंक द फैक्ट क्योंकि मैंने बोला कि वो बहुत ही नॉर्मल और रियल थे that was reason enough for us to be able to talk to each other very easily. And after a certain point, I think it was very difficult to move us away from each other. But because, as Lara said, we were great actors, I think we pulled off hating each other also. But it used to be like, okay, action, and we're still talking, okay. And then, we'd get into a fight. Before that, we're like laughing. And as soon as action would happen, we'd just be like, oh, we hate each other, can't stand each other, sort of situation. But yeah.
Okay. Would love to know one thing that, the way you guys are expressing each other. Would you guys call each other like a big critic of your work, or are you guys not really very critical about your work?
I'm the biggest critic of my own work. Of my own work, I'm the biggest critic. I don't think I'm easy on myself as an actor. Very rarely do I look at myself on screen and say, oh, I'm happy with what I've done. I always feel, ye thoda better ho sakta tha. I could have done this differently. I could have, played that differently. So I'm very hard on myself as an actor. Yeah.
It's not like I watch myself and say, wow, I don't know who, maybe people do that. I don't know, but I feel like I can tell when I could have done better. Or I was like, oh, I wish they'd chosen another shot, or, it's not looking as nice as I thought I would. So I probably am a little hard on myself. I think I can also, if I feel like I've done a good job, then I'm like, hey, that was pretty good. Sorry. Very inarticulate response.
And how many times have you actually complimented yourself, if I may ask?
Today, 5. I don't come from a family or even a husband who's like, "Arey, wow, it's amazing." They're all very, very critical. Like they all feel it's very constructive criticism, and it's like very healthy to like give you feedback. I think I also judge myself quite fairly, and if I'm happy with myself, I feel I get a lot of encouragement from when I'm happy with myself, as opposed to when other people say something positive about me.
No, I think I'm also extremely critical of my own work. But as Soha said, sometimes when I feel like, I know it was a challenging scene, and I think just the fact that I pulled it off, I do give myself a little bit of credit for that, because I think both are equally important, right? To grow and move forward. But I am extremely critical of my.
Any parting words for the other fans out there? Because I'm sure that this time, I'm seeing you guys doing here on the interview. I'm sure you guys have enjoyed it more on the show itself. Any parting words for them?
Parting words are Jan 7th, Z5, Kaun Banegi Shikharwati.
Come join the party.
Ami, you want to add something to final words of what your sisters have said? Real sisters have said.
Please enjoy our dysfunctional family and all the bizarre things that we have done for you, and really enjoyed some of it and questioned some of it. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much, ladies. It is a pleasure having the three of you out here. I wish you a very happy new year. and thank you so much for joining with me here. Well, that was three beautiful ladies for you, जो कि थी काफी excited and rather काफी ज़्यादा chilled out with each other. After all, they have shot for almost 2 months together in Rajasthan. और हम सिर्फ इतना कह सकते हैं कि हम काफी ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन लगाए बैठे हैं जान 7 से, because तब हो रहा है रिलीज कौन बनेगी शिखरवती. This is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. You do stay tuned to Telly Chakar for all the more updates about the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.